So how are you feeling coming here?
I've been doing films in Malayalam, but there are one or two Hindi films too, but I could not continue for various reasons. But I wanted this film should be seen by non-Malayali audience too. So we have translated this film into all the South Indian languages, including, and Hindi. It's to reach more. This is the history of the brave. And there is not only love, romance, betrayal, there is a philosophy behind this, which I don't want to disclose now. Very, very contemporary issues are, you can relate with it. So, it's a special film for me. That's all.
So, do you think that as an artist, it is your responsibility to get something which is there in the past to the audience and is
This actually, if I go into the history of this film, it happened before British came to India. First foreign invasion, maybe Portuguese. Portuguese were there during this. It happened for 2-3 centuries, from 1500 to 1800. And it's actually, it is, what do you call, it is very special, and it's not happened, I don't know, I have no idea about it, but this is something unique. This revenge is something unique which never happened, ever happened, anywhere happened. And I don't know, I don't want to explain more and more about it, but there are some things should be hidden before you watch this. So a little bit like that.
so one last question I would like to ask you. What does this film mean to you?
Every film is something, this particular film, that's a very tricky question. I have already explained why I'm here, why I have accepted the film. This is something special for me. That's all.
All right, give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Associated with the film. What are the key aspects of the film?
As Mamuka told, this is a history of Kerala. We want to show the history to other states of people who doesn't know much more about our history and culture. So this is a life in one-time chance to get such a movie. That's all.
Sir, because what is the difference between Mamangam and Bahubali? How different is Mamangam from Bahubali?
I think Bahubali is a fantasy story. But Mamang is a history. It's a real life story. And in the screenplay and the making also, we approach a realistic way. So.
Sir, because I saw the making and it was very different. It was not like a lot of VFX were used in the film. You know, you had to make a 12-acre set. Why that and not VFX? Why?
I told you, we used to make the realistic way totally this movie. So we already decided to not use that much VFX shots. So we plan to make a big set, original set. And it became very realistic, I think.
Thank you so much, sir. Please have a seat. Thank you.
So acting happened to me in 2016 when I started with my first show on Star Plus named as Diya Aur Baatein Hum. So acting was never planned. I never aspired to become an actor. It was an opportunity given to me. And I thought that I'm fortunate enough to get this beautiful chance to try something new in life. And that's how I took a risk, left everything in Delhi, whatever I was doing, and then thought of starting a new life, a new career, and that's how acting happened. And Mamangam happened to me last year while I was doing my show, second show for Star Plus named as Ikyavan, and they were looking for, Vivek messaged me saying that, you know, we need a girl like you who can dance and who can, you know, do action sequences and somebody who is a decent actor with a little background and with a little experience. So that's how my name came into reference, and I was auditioned for it and was shortlisted, and this beautiful character Unni Maya happened to me, and it has been a long journey of 2 years, but finally we're coming to this result. I mean, you know, our baby is going to get, you know, released on 12th of December, and I'm really excited about it.
Thank you so much.
सबसे पहले तो मैं एक बात बता देता हूँ कि आई एम नॉट न्यू टू मलयालम सिनेमा. 30 years ago जब मैंने पहले दिन एज एन एक्शन डायरेक्टर काम किया था, इट वाज फॉर ए मलयालम फिल्म. और जो मैंने एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट एक्शन डायरेक्टर स्टार्ट कैमरा एक्शन बोला था, मलयालम फिल्म के लिए बोला था. और मैं पहले भी एहसानमंद था, हमेशा ज़िंदगी भर एहसानमंद रहूँगा मलयालम सिनेमा का, मलयालम सिनेमा से जुड़े लोगों का, कि जिन्होंने मेरे पे फेथ किया और मेरे को ब्रेक दिया. और कलरी के बारे में क्योंकि मैं शुरू से जब भी एक्शन डायरेक्टर बना तो मेरा जुड़ना रहा मलयालम सिनेमा से जुड़ना रहा, तो कलरी इट इज़ सच ए मार्शल आर्ट के इसके साथ भी जुड़ा रहना पड़ा। और ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर मेरे को मिला जब मैं 2001 में अशोका की शूटिंग कर रहा था। उसके डायरेक्टर थे मिस्टर संतोष सिमन, जो केरला से हैं, डीओपी भी वही थे। तो उसमें बहुत सारे जो कलरी आर्टिस्ट थे, फाइटर्स थे, केरला से मंगा के हमने सभी एक्शंस में यूज़ किए। और वो जो आर्ट फॉर्म देख के आई जस्ट फेल इन लव विद दिस आर्ट। इट इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, सो पोएटिक, क्योंकि आप भी स्क्रीन पे देखो जैसे जो कलरी परफॉर्म करते हैं, इट इज समथिंग ए मिक्स ऑफ डांस एंड फाइटिंग स्पिरिट। तो जो उसमें मूवमेंट्स हैं आप देखो, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं, जैसा बॉडी रोटेट करते हैं, घूमते जैसे भी, तो उसी हिसाब से वहाँ से एक्सपोजर मिला। वहाँ से जहाँ जहाँ मेरे को मौका मिला मैं इस आर्ट को यूज़ करता रहा। और फिर 2010 में मैंने मरीन रत्नम जी की फिल्म की थी रावण, उसमें बहुत सारी कलरी फाइट यूज़ किया। लेकिन हमेशा, क्योंकि कभी भी हम लोग ऐसी आर्ट यूज़ करते हैं जो ऑलवेज नीड ए एक्सपर्ट, तो पिछले 20 साल से मिस्टर सुनील है जहाँ पे, जो कलरी का वहाँ पे ही इज़ मिस्टर सुनील, जो वहाँ पे कलरी का स्कूल चलाते हैं। और जब भी मेरे को जरूरत पड़ती है, आई कॉल हिम टू गाइड मी, टू शो मी, एंड ही ऑलवेज ट्रेन्स द एक्टर्स एंड गाइड्स मी अबाउट द दिस थिंग। और दूसरा, जब भी हम लोग ऐसी कोई आर्ट फॉर्म की बात करते हैं, तो सबसे बड़ी हम तो सोचते हैं जब उसको विजुलाइज करते हैं, लेकिन जो एक्टर्स हैं वो सिनेमा उसको लोगों तक लेके जाते हैं। एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू ममूटी सर, उन्नी एंड अच्युतन, वेयर इज दिस बॉय, जस्ट प्लीज, and hats off to them for bringing it to the screen so convincingly, so convincingly. So credit goes to them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Please have a seat. Thank you. जोर से और तालियां हो सकती है, guys. Thank you.
I'm so excited right now, and I came to Mamanga movie through an audition which was held in my Kalari. I've been studying Kalari from my 5th age, and this is my story.
Lovely. All right. So how is it working with Mammootty sir?
It was a great experience working with the legend in acting, and sir has given me a lot of advices for my acting. It's my first time, and I was a little tensed. So sir told me to be confident and free while acting. Sir's such good person, which I have seen in my whole life.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. All right. One more question. How hard do you train, and how many hours in a day do you train to achieve such a level of finesse?
I practiced Kalari daily 2 hours, and Saturday and Sunday evening time maximum 4 hours. And from the Kalari which I am studying now, it's a little different in the film, and I have studied Sword and Urumi for the film.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Please have a seat.
Good evening, everyone. Um, I do feel that action as a mode can cut across barriers, because action is something we relate to entertainment. Cinema is all about entertainment, is what I feel, and action doesn't have a language barrier as such. So it does help, but proper content is much more important. You cannot sell action with a lot of dishum and stuff. You need a proper content. You need an emotional balance to it. So with Mamangam, we have tried to do that. Mamangam as a movie is not about just the war sequences. It handles with the it's about the emotions that lead towards the war and the situation and circumstances. I'm just glad that being a hardcore fan of Mamuka and someone who started his career with him, to get an opportunity to be a part of the movie, which represents Malayalam industry on a national level in such a. So this movie it wouldn't have been possible without Mamuka. The reason is because the cost is, when you do a Malayalam film, we do face a certain cost issues. But then when you have a star who can be the face of the nation, we can sell the product with him. So that's when the product can visualize, and our producer, the director, the opportunity to work with Shyam Kaushal sir, knowing the fact that I'm a huge fan of action, and Mamangam as a project really gave me that opportunity, and with Mamuka we could bring the movie here. We have tried our level best to make sure that the emotion is communicated properly through the language. So then we have dubbed the movie Hindi. I have tried my best to render my lines in Hindi so that see the movie should not lose its soul in translation. So there has been a genuine effort to make sure the movie is enjoyable to the entire nation. And Mamangam, though happened at one part of Kerala, I don't think it should be restricted that way. It's a part of India, and the whole of the nation should know what happened, how did it happen, and yeah, some things like that.
Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Hi
So,
and Namaskara Mumbai.
yeah, so tell me about your character and working with the star cast. How was it? It's Mammootty, it's him, it's Achutan, it's everybody. So how was it? And the
bit
director, sir.
tensed actually because in Mumbai it's my first press meet for a historical movie, and I'm so excited and happy also. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to say something more? Add anything else?
Yes, of course. मामांगा मेरे को बहुत स्पेशल मूवी है कि ये 4 भाषाओं में रिलीज हो रही है, और मम्मूटी सर के साथ मेरा तीसरी बार वर्क करती हूँ. पहला जो मूवी पारोल और पुत्तनपनम, तीसरा मूवी है मामांगा. So Mammootty sir, working with Mammootty sir is always amazing, and it's like a great experience also. And and I think like Mamangam crew is a very, very, very experienced crew, because we got like a lot of people who work in different field, is very, very expertise. So I think that I'm lucky to be a part of Mamangam. And मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम था उन्नी नीली. उन्नी नीली एक देवदासी काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर है. ये कैरेक्टर के लिए मैं बहुत मेहनत करती हूँ. I speak little bit of Hindi, okay? Please don't mind if it is a mistake.
Come on, we can encourage her. Come on, we can do this.
जो कैरेक्टर के लिए मैं बहुत मेहनत कर दिया, क्योंकि एक कैरेक्टर देवदासी काइंड ऑफ टिपिकल ट्रेडिशनल गर्ल है, and it's an acting oriented character too. I put a lot of effort, like a strict diet and like workout and contouring my body to make that character appearance fit on me. And I put a lot of effort for this, because in Malayalam industry we need like a lot of like a plumpy look and like chubby wala. So I have to become trim for this character particularly. And I'm basically a classical dancer, so I had a lovely song to perform in this movie called the Boondonsi song as well, and it's choreographed by Brinda Master. I'm very happy once again that to be a part of Mamangam, because it's not that easy to make one movie in 4 languages, that too from Malayalam industry. Like we make like more realistic movies and all, and coming into other states like more of colorful and fantasy and all. In Bollywood also they love to watch a lot of colorful sequences, but in Telugu also we used to see a lot of movies which comes with a lot of action, is very dramatic and like artificial with a lot of graphics and all. But in this Mamanga movie we shot a lot of sequences with realistic effect. That's what director said, that we had a very big grand set, like 2 to 3 sets we had. And for my character Unni Neeli, it is a typical palace kind of set. We shot in Cochin, and the grand set for the war also, we had a 12-acre set. And I think the making you people already saw. And yeah, this movie is going to release on December 12th, and I'm looking forward for the success of Mamangam. Yeah, thank you.
Give it up. Thank you so much. Warriors who fought in it.
Good evening, friends. Good evening, Bombay. Much has been spoken. I think the rest you have to watch on screen on December 12th. We have nothing more to say, because film is all about action, and Sri M. Padmakumar has done a epic work behind the screen to make this epic work on screen. So this film is about unsung heroes, and unsung hero is slowly becoming a cliche, because everybody of us has a hero within us. Here we have an umbilical cord relationship with the Hindi film industry, because most of the small films which we make in our language get bloated up and become big productions in Hindi film, and we watch and gape, like our small ideas could make it big in the Hindi film industry. So here is one film that you cannot remake. That is what Mr. Mammootty makes a big point, because this film is very special. He has been a legendary actor, you all know, but then he's a legendary visionary for me, a film student, because for the last many years where I've been watching him with admiration, he has been doing things which are very unique. So this is a film with a unique story, and this is a story that will stand for centuries to come. And I would like to call 3 more people who are among the audience, like they are the unsung heroes that the team, Mr. M. Padmakumar is leading. We don't have Manoj Pillai, the DOP, or Raja Muhammad, the editor, or Mani, the Mohandas, the art director, but we do have Ullas Krishna. There he has been working as in the direction department, Mr. Siraj Kalla, and also Meera Talakotur. She has been working in the production department to make this, because their sleeplessness is all about this film hitting the screens on December 12th. There are a lot of people who are still toiling, and some of us are sharing the stage under his leadership. But we have to make a point that this is a rare opportunity, because it's the first film which is going to have such a vast audience on the first day, that no film from our region has done this before. So whenever I have a small conversation with Mamuka regarding this, he asserts that a history is made not just by making a film, but the way it is, like coming out of the box and being presented it to you. Everybody gets a mic to speak, and I think the biggest statement will be made when the film comes on screen. Thank you.
So there is one more question which I'd like to ask. Could you actually tell us the layers of characterization? That's very important. So if you can just put a little more light on it.
See, the film in the posters or in the trailer that you have been seeing is primarily about a warrior class and the rivalry between a neighboring kingdom and this particular region from which these warrior clans come from. So we are used to watching Chinese films where divided kingdoms fight for power. But here, basically, this festival, the word Mamangam represents a festival, a trade festival. And this trade festival, which happens once in 12 years, did not represent just commerce, but it was also the symbol of power. So this one clan of Zamarins who undertook mastering this festival, or becoming the master of this festival, was challenged by warriors from across the river. So they came up from 4 different families, led by either one of the masters from those galleries. So these people who come from these particular families also had the support of the local people, including members from all the religions and also the poor people. And they would come and challenge the master. I'm just telling you the premise of the story. You have to watch the film. The film has more than the prima facie slew of characters that it has. It also represents a very strong sense of womanhood, because these warriors are actually sent by women who are much more braver than these warriors, because they don't consider these people as dead. They still continue to wear their ornaments, or they don't change their lifestyle because their son or their husband or their brother goes to the war. So this is also about those women who actually garnered revenge within their womb and also made this war last for centuries in the name of, basically in the name of their blood feud. That's it.
Thank you so much.
This is not actually untold. It has
But
been,
we are, but part of the India is
not
unknown.
told on screen.
Ji.
Just written about this story many times and many people in many ways. So if you go through the history or you read these books, you will just definitely get inspired to make a film out of it. You can make not only one film, you can make minimum 10 to 15 films out of it. Such a big, vast history, a vast incident about it. So we can take one, we might make one more sometime. Depends about, it happened for 3 centuries, so you can imagine.
Mamuka, this is Jyoti Venkatesh from Bombay.
Hello, how are you, Jyoti?
Fine. This is not the first time that you have acted in a genre like this. Several Malayalam films you have acted like this. But what was the biggest challenge when you set out to act in a film like this, as opposed to a social film?
Yeah,
where
the
you're-
two films were, one is Parsi Raja, that is a, what do you call, a story about a king who fought against the British, and that is more about patriotism. And Vadakan Veeragatha, again, it's a folklore drama, that is again a folklore. This is again more older, maybe, older history, 16th, 15th to 18th century it happened, and there are lot many stories. Of course, the character, all are different. That really attracted me.
But as an actor, what kind of challenges you face when you do a film like this?
Actor is always facing challenges, Jyoti. They are always challenged.
And one more question is that not many here may be aware of the fact that you started your career as a criminal lawyer.
Lawyer, not a criminal.
So, do you miss
I,
those?
I don't miss, but I am aware of what is happening around me. I miss it, but still, because I preferred to be an actor. That's why I came here. So I should not miss it.
Long back we saw you in a
You
Hindi
are going
film
to
called
see, there are so many other people.
Dharti Putra.
Dharti Putra, of
After
course.
that, why
He
you're
did not mention about Dharti Putra. He was the fight master there. His second or third film, maybe.
It was in 96.
96.
After that, why we are not seeing you in a straight Hindi film?
Many reasons for that. That we'll discuss later.
Just a minute. May I please call the executive producer of the film, Mr. Vivek? Please come on stage. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
See, incidentally, there are two more great actors who have participated in a film. They are sitting in front of the. Say, I don't know. Can you manage them also some seat? They will. You can ask something to them also.
Sudev,
Mr. They are enjoying beer being.
Tarun Arora.
Small part of this film. I was actually enjoying the view from down there. A little upset to be brought up here, but thank you. Thank you, sir.
He's a celebrated actor. He is a Film Institute guy. He has been awarded as the best actor 2 years ago. Malayalam films best actor. Not only small guy, big guy.
हेलो ममूटी सर
Yes.
इस फिल्म को बनाने में पूरा कितना समय लगा आपको
We took almost 2 years. We shot nearly 120 days, maybe 142 days.
Mamuti sir, and to the other cast. Sir, my question to you is: we are living in this age where there are no more boundaries here. Now there are no more boundaries here. The language boundary is not here. Bollywood actors going in regional films. Regional films are coming in here in Bollywood. So now we are having this example of Mamangam as well, right from Bahubali to 2.0 to Mamangam. So what do you want to say about this trend, the change of trend?
Of course, we are getting united again, more strong.
Yeah, please, sir. Continue, sir, please. And to the other cast member, if they can please add what's their input about it.
So the boundaries are getting blurred, and being a North Indian, I never knew, what the culture of Malayalam industry is, and I'm fortunate to be starting my debut with a beautiful industry which is so content oriented, and obviously to be launched opposite Mamuka, and
You are opposite me.
I'm next to you right now. So it was a wonderful experience, and moving forward, it is going to be called as Indian cinema rather than Bollywood, Tollywood, Mollywood, Punjabi industry. So I think, yeah. And audience is also becoming very, very smart. I think the main hero of the film is the content, and that's the beauty about it.
Can you guys please share about it? What do you want to say about the change in the trend?
Actually, I believe the advent of the internet and the accessibility of online data has really made all kinds of content accessible, and now we don't really wonder or worry about the language or the grammar of the content as far as the content itself is effective. And if the story is good, stories are universal and they do transcend languages. And now, because of technology, this has been aided more and more, and we are only going to get more and more seamless.
I would like to.
मैं एक शेयर करता हूँ आपके साथ। जब मैंने कैरियर शुरू किया था एज एन एक्शन डायरेक्टर तो पहले मलयालम सिनेमा से शुरू किया, तो मेरे को अभी तक याद है मैंने कुछ 2-3 फिल्में मलयालम करने के बाद में स्क्रीन में एक आर्टिकल था, मेरे बारे में इंटरव्यू थी, तो उसमें एक लाइन थी जिसको ब्रैकेट में लिखा गया था कि आई एम ए पंजाबी, मतलब फर्स्ट जनरेशन इन मुंबई कमिंग फ्रॉम ए विलेज इन पंजाब, तो उसमें लिखा था ए पंजाबी डूइंग एक्शन फॉर मलयालम फिल्म्स, एंड ब्रैकेट में दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन।
Whoa.
Absolutely.
Right, may I field this question to Mr. Vivek here? Right, Mamamagam has been pegged as the most expensive Malayalam film.
Yeah.
You know, you want to talk something more on that?
Yeah, it is the most expensive Malayalam film to date. See, Malayalam being a very small industry compared to even the bigger industries down south like Tamil and Telugu. Yesterday we were in Hyderabad, so I was just telling, the budget of even this film is the salary of an actor in Telugu, or probably lesser than that in Hindi. But yeah, the person I think we all owe this to is a person who is not here, who I really personally miss because Mr. Venu Kunapalli, he's a businessman from Dubai. So he's the one who has produced this film, and the vision to do that from an industry like from Malayalam, a small industry where you were not assured of, getting the money back. Is a very difficult thing to do. See, Telugu has a huge market. So Bahubali doesn't need the entire country to get back the money. You can get it back from Telugu itself. But Malayalam is not like that. Even overseas, we have a market which is only a bit in the Middle East. But this film is going far wider than that. It's going into countries which is never, seen a Malayalam film being released. So that is happening, yes.
That is only the producer's view. He's only marketing the film. That our films will collect in Kerala. We are sufficient for the last 38 years. I am there.
And the vision behind releasing the film in different languages.
No, that was what Mamuka said. Mamuka had this vision that a film like this, which deals with true history of a land, should be seen across the country. Because otherwise, if we make
Simple
this film,
reason is we are not that selfish that we only see the film. We will not allow others to see it.
and a Malayalam film, if it is made only in Malayalam, only Kerala will see the history. So Kerala's history is also India's history, is what he said. I remember him saying that. So, so if it is made into more languages, there are more chances of, the cinema unifying us as a country. So I think that is a great thing. That's the reason why we wanted to make it. The other markets, as I said, it's since it's not a fantasy film. It's rooted in a culture and a time zone. We had to be true to that time zone. So the costumes, everything is Malayalam, but then the emotions are not. So that's
He's
where
our marketing person. That is why he's marketing. Kannada people knows other languages too. There was a issue that they won't let other languages to be dubbed now. There is. Now it is free. Before we started this. And we are more open. We have no secrets. We will show whatever history we have to others. We have to others. We don't hide anything. We have nothing to hide.
Sir, and it's not easy, sir. It's good to dream, but it's very difficult making a film in 4 different languages, which has never been done before in Malayalam. We were in Chennai day before. Yesterday we were in Hyderabad. This itself is, not easy to do. But yeah, we're chasing a dream. So.
Hi, this is Shweta from Filmy Beat. Can you hear me? Shweta from Filmy Beat. Congratulations to the team. It's a great trailer. To the director, actually, I'm really curious about the little boy and how you found him and his role. Can you help us with it? Some more information. With Achyutan, right? Yeah.
Chutan.
So he's done, as we could see from the making, he's really impressive.
Actually, we were searching for a boy like him, who knows martial arts and he has to perform well. He has to do many scenes, emotional scenes and all. We searched in many galleries and schools in Kerala and in Kottayam, Puthupalli.
In Kerala.
He is in
I'm from Kottayam.
Kottayam district. Puthupalli is his native.
Yeah, he already told us that you've been learning Kalarippayattu since the age of 5.
Yeah.
Okay, and how is your...
There are galleries there all over Kerala.
All over.
Still there, like schools.
Okay.
See, in the evening and morning, they can go and learn there. There is a gallery in... there is a gallery near his house. He went there in the morning and he has practiced there. Even during shooting, we were running a gallery. Gallery means a school.
Okay.
Gallery, piety is the fight. Gallery actually means school.
Okay.
So even we were conducting a school during the shoot. Everybody was fighting there.
Well,
So
that
there is a
shows...
subsidiary part of the set was converted into a gallery and we were practicing. You can see that making.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Komal from Indian Express. Mammootty sir, I have a question for you. It's great to have you back in Mumbai after so many years. We recently also met your son Dulquer, who's doing Hindi films. First, I want to know what kind of feedback have you given to his films, and have he is given to Mamangam?
He has nothing to do with that. He does films, that is the children, no? I don't think he was not supposed to communicate or but actually I didn't get your question.
Yeah, my question is, since, because we are more familiar to Dulquer, we've interviewed
My
him.
son.
Yeah, of course. So I'm asking you, have you seen his Hindi films, and what kind of feedback if you've given him?
Okay, I have seen his films. But we are talking about some other film.
Okay. Okay. So I have a question related
He has
to...
not seen, even I have not seen the film yet.
I have a question related to Mamangam. Maybe the producer can answer. It is about, halfway through filming, the director of the film was changed. Why was that done? And how much of that have you retained in the film that has been directed by Sir?
I can tell you in one line that it was done in the interest of the film. Nobody does it happily. It is not a pleasant thing to do. So we were left with no option but to take that step. He went to court and, couple of courts upheld whatever we did was right, including Kerala High Court. So I think that's been an unpleasant experience. We have not retained anything from what was shot. It's a completely new film. So I think now we've censored the Malayalam film, the Telugu version is censored, the two language censoring it. I think we're now getting into a phase where, that is behind us and we're looking positively to the future. That's it, yeah.
Hi, Mawudi sir. Yeah. So, first of all, congratulations. काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त ट्रेलर है और इस तरह की फिल्मों का जब ट्रेलर आता है तो हमें इंडियन सिनेमा पर काफ़ी प्राउड होता है. सर अगर बात की जाए साउथ इंडियन सिनेमा की तो ऐसी सी फिल्में आती हैं जो कि काफ़ी इम्पैक्टफुल होती हैं, पूरा देश ग्लोबली जाती है. बट बॉलीवुड में भी जिस तरह बॉलीवुड को भी आप फॉलो करते होंगे, कहीं ना कहीं ये आपको कमी नज़र आती है कि उस लेवल की फिल्में नहीं बनाई जाती या बॉलीवुड फिल्म मेकर उस तरह का रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहते जिस तरह का रिस्क साउथ इंडियन मेकर्स लेते हैं.
Filmmaking itself is a risk for the producer. So this is all trials. We cannot stop filmmaking. There are movies are failing and succeeding. So that cannot be the criteria for making films. There are films running, there are good films and bad films are being made. So let's make it and let it be good or bad. That's what our idea is about. And we were confident about the subject and we were confident about the movie. So we made it. We were very sincere and we were very frank about it.
Thank you, sir.
We cannot say that some films are failing, so that the film industry will not survive otherwise.
मऊल सर, एक साथ में और एक क्वेश्चन है। आप एक बहुत ही पूरा देश आपको प्यार करता है, और आप भी जिस तरह देश में हालात हैं आज, जिस तरह बातें चल रही हैं, एक साउथ में भी एक केस हुआ, नॉर्थ में भी एक केस हुआ रेप को लेकर, एक लड़की के।
Society should,
So, sir,
should be conscious about it. They should change their conscience. They should ask their conscience, what are we and why are we doing like this? So all are about, everybody is concerned about it. What is happening to us? Me too.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hi, sir. My name is Deepak. I'm a pure Malayali. I'm a huge fan of yours, sir. So you make from 5 to 8 movies in a year, I think. And this movie itself took you almost 2 years. Okay. My dad is just a 54-year-old guy. He walks 10 minutes, he gets tired. And I see you doing all these stunts and running, and you do all these horse rides. I know. How do you get this energy even at this age? Yeah, I'm so surprised. I'm a huge fan of yours. Could you please explain to me?
You are my energy.
All right, one more question, please. Last question.
Hi, my name is Jigar. Hi, my question is to Unni and the other cast members also. How long did you guys take to learn Payattu, if at all you had to kind of do all the stunts? And to the director, if you can tell a little about the music of the film as well. I mean, I understand that's also an important aspect of the film. So if you can just share some light about.
Did you ask me about the stunts?
Yeah, about the stunts and the preparation for your.
The prep part with the stunts is totally handled by Shyam Kaushal sir. I just have to. I am personally a big fan of action movies. I enjoy watching them. I enjoy doing it. So the easier part for me was when it is handled by Shyam Kaushal sir. I just have to do it correctly. The way he says it, just do it. If I don't do it, I injure myself. But the fact is that I came out uninjured, and that's the best part. It looks quite horrifying with all the swords and all the elephants around, and too much of commotion. With we had like thousands of junior artists performing the same Kalripaita. It's a difficult art. I'm not a trained Kalripaita artist, so it was difficult for me. But then with the proper guidance, I could make sure that I just wanted to make sure that it looks as real as possible on screen. So yeah, the effort was neat, but then I'm pretty happy that it came out for a project which will be showcased across India. So as an actor also, all the little effort that I've taken in will come out good. Yeah. So.
See, with most of the fights were shot in the night. We were shooting nearly 50 to 60 nights together. Night shooting and day.
मैं एक बता देता हूँ आपको, जब ये नाइट शूट चालू हुई तो सब ने मेरे को बोला था कि मम्मूटी सर का एक प्रिंसिपल है, 11 बजे के बाद में शूट नहीं करते हैं, और ये सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी, हमने 2 बजे से पहले कभी इनका पैकअप नहीं किया है. तो मतलब अमेजिंग, एंड जस्ट हैट्स ऑफ टू हिम. कभी भी मेरे को ये नहीं सोचना, जैसा आपने बोला कि मैं जो विजुलाइज करते समय के ही जब भी बिगिनिंग शुरू की तो थोड़ा सा आई वाज बिट हेजिडेंट. तो मैं इनको जाके एक छोटा सा स्टंट था, फिर जाके मैंने मम्मूटी सर ऐसा कुछ ऐसा करें तो ऐसा करें. He just opened up, master, you do anything. He showed me something, some video. I can do like this. I can do like this. Then I went wild in thinking.
I was promoting myself with him.
So it was a great experience, and Unni, this child, amazing, amazing. I can't explain what they have generated on the screen, but you just see it.
Sir, but is there a specific reason why it was shot only in the night consciously? A technical reason?
Happens in the night.
Okay.
Historically, that thing happened in the
Story
night.
was that. It is that.
Okay. And can you share a little about the music of the film as well? Because that is also.
About music, there is 4 songs in this movie. M. Jayachandran is the music director, and Rafiq Ahmad Ajay Gopal is the lyrics.
BGM Bapada.
And Sanjeev Balhara is the background score even. He is doing first time in Malayalam, Sanjeev Balhara.
Sanjit and Ankit.
And our audiographer is Sadish.
PM Satish and Manoj Goswami.
Sadish and Manoj Goswami.
Ken is the colorist.
Mr. Arora, could you please share your experience of Mamangam?
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Tarun Raj Arora. Well, I would like to thank my lucky stars to get a debut, such an epic project. And when I got this offer, I didn't know this movie is going to be so big. My only interest was to work with Mamuka. And that's how I went and signed this movie. It's been a big bucket list to work with such a legend. And the more and more I got involved with the film, I realized that it was really a very, very big film. And I get to work with such talent, from my co-stars to my director, from the action director. And I am wishing that everybody gets to watch this film. I do play a very important but a small role. And I consider myself, again, very lucky to play a small role, but a very, very effective role on such a big film. Thank you, everyone.